Coding for Entrepreneurs is a project-based programming class for the non-technical founder. If you've ever thought about starting a web-based business or project, this is the class for you. You know, I took the time to learn how to do it, and now I'm happy to say I can launch my own projects and my own business in less time than I've ever thought possible. Implementing these projects used to be perceived as so hard to do, and why we're doing project-based is so you can learn from start to finish how to actually do it. And you watch everything that I do on my computer, not something else, not like a PowerPoint presentation. It's going to be on my computer so you can see the things that you need to go through to make it happen. Let me know if you have any questions, and thank you.